Click API extraction. Select the number of IPs to extract and the country. Select proxy protocol, data format and delimiter. Generate API link. Open link. Copy the IP and open YtBrowser. Click on Environment Management. Create a new environment. Fill in the environment name. Select a platform according to your needs. Scroll down. Select a custom device and add it. Enter the device name. Select proxy type. Paste the IP and port. Click Save after the detection is passed. Then select your own device. Click Finish. Open the proxy. This indicates that the proxy is successfully set up. Open other websites and try. It is successful and there is no problem.